Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set sound notification when battery is fully charged on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Now first tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and in this video, we're going to use a technique called Bixby routine. Bixby routine will allow us to play a sound when the phone is fully charged. So from the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, we go down and tap on advanced features. Next, we go down and tap on Bixby routines. In here, we're going to tap on add routine. So tap on the add routine tab at the bottom. In the add routine if section, we're going to tap on the add button. And in here, we're going to choose battery level. And then we're going to choose battery level 100 when it's full, so equal or above 100%. So when it reaches 100%, we tap on done. Next, we're going to go to the then section. And here we're going to say what happened when the battery is full. We're going to tap on the add button in the then section. Now in here you have a number of different options available to you. So I'm going to choose notifications, and then you can choose read show custom notifications. So in here we can say full battery, and the phone battery is full. And then tap on done. Let's just go back in here. I forgot to do one thing. We want also tap on read this notification aloud, and then tap on done, and then tap on next. And then in here you can give your routine a name. Battery full. Tap on done. And that's it. So now we have added a routine to the device. At this stage, there is nothing that you need to do. So have your phone charge up to 100%. Okay, so now I'm going to plug it in and have a charge. And say 1 minute into full. Okay, at the moment it is 99%. So let's turn it off and let's see what happened when it is fully charged. So it won't be long now, just a minute if you can hang on with me, and we're just going to wait until it's fully charged. You can hear that the phone will notify you when it is full. Now I'm going to also show you something else as well. So if you don't like your phone to read out the notifications, I'm going to show you how you can get it to maybe just give you a beep, or maybe you can get it to play a file, an MP3 file or a song. So if you prefer a particular sound, you can download that sound or the tone or the alert sound from the net and then have it on your device, and then the phone then can pick that music file to play. So it won't be long now, maybe a few more seconds, and we're going to have a full charge here, and the phone going to read aloud. So hopefully it won't be long. So 1 minute into full. So this features is actually a Bixby routine. In the past, you can go into the system UI, system user interface, and set the battery to notify you when the battery is full. Until recently, maybe a year or two ago, that functions has been changed, and while you can go into that settings to make the changes.
Full battery, the phone battery is full.
And it still won't work. Now you can hear that when the battery is fully charged, the phone read out the text messages that we have set. And of course you can set it whatever you want. So instead of having your phone to read aloud, we're going to go back into that Bixby routine. So I'm going to go into Bixby routines and then open up that routine that we had. Sorry, I'm just going to tap on my routines and open up that battery full routine, and I'm going to tap on edit. And in here you can have more than one notification, so you can have it read aloud, and then after that you can have your phone play a sound. I'm just going to remove this notifications, and then we tap on the add button, and in here we're going to tap on effects, and then you can have your phone beep once, so it will beep once. Maybe beeping once can you may miss it, so I personally don't use that. I'm going to say play a song instead, so I'm going to choose music and then tap on play music, and in here you can select music from your Samsung Music playlist, YouTube Music, YouTube, Spotify. Let's say we choose Samsung Music and then tap on done. So in here it's going to play, automatically play a song from Samsung Music. Just trying to see, it doesn't actually give you an option to select a particular song from that app. So maybe it's just going to play some random song in the list from Samsung Music. Okay, so another thing that you can do is maybe set a timer. So let's say if you use functions and then timer, maybe timer is in a different section. I can use a search timer. So in apps, and then start a timer, and maybe we can set it to 1 second and then tap on done. So when the battery is full, it will set a timer for 1 second, and then it will hopefully it will raise the alarm, and then tap on done. So now we have edited. So when the timer is full, you can see at 100% it will play a sound. So I'm just going to dismiss that. And yeah, so when the battery is full, it will play a timer. So I'm just going to wait for the phone to comes back down to 99%, and then we can test that out. Okay, so the battery has gone down to 99% now. Just going to plug it in to charge it up. And we're going to wait until it is charging up to 100%. And you can hear that instead of reading out the notification text messages, it can now play a sound from a timer. So again, I think this won't take long. Maybe just a few seconds to a minute. It's a 1 minute until full. Sorry that this video has been going on longer than I hope. Just want to show you all the different things that you can actually do with this. So you can see here when the you can see that when the battery is full, it will play a timer, and then it will alert you. So I think this is better than just a single beep, because then you can hear that your phone is fully charged, and then you can attend to the phone, maybe simply to disconnect the charging cable. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.